So if you are like me and don't have one of those cool Greenworks lawn sweepers that you've been wanting for so bad, and you should have bought it before the leaves started falling because it would have made your life a lot easier. If you don't have one of those, then here's a great way to pick up your leaves. That's one reason to pick up all your leaves. What's going on, everybody? How's it going? How's everybody's fall going? Is it where you want it to be? Well, anyways, it's time for me to pick up the leaves because, as you can see, we are almost empty. The tree is almost empty, which is awesome. You want to make sure that you get all your leaves picked up, because if you do leave your leaves like this, one, the blades of grass cannot get sunlight, so it won't get any photosynthesis, and two, it will just cause a big moisture underneath between the leaves and the grass, causing big fungus problems and everything. So get your leaves picked up before winter, obviously, with snow coming and everything, but otherwise we got a big rainstorm coming and we're almost empty with leaves. So it is time to pick up the leaves, and hopefully we can get a nice mow in. If not, I can wait till tomorrow. And I do want to throw down another set of fertilizer. I think we still got a little bit of time left before my winterizer, so let's get to it. I gotta give a big shout out to Milwaukee. I know that Toro has a blower and I have not used that one yet, and I really want to, because I really want to transfer everything over to Toro battery. Mower, blower, blow, everything that they offer. But shout out to Milwaukee, because I do love this blower. It's an awesome blower. I have the Edger weed whacker, that one too. It runs off the same battery, obviously. It's 18 volt. It's awesome. You guys gotta check out Milwaukee. It's super awesome. So if you are like me and don't have one of those cool Greenworks lawn sweepers that you've been wanting for so bad, and you should have bought it before the leaves started falling because it would have made your life a lot easier. If you don't have one of those, then here's a great way to pick up your leaves. Put the bag inside of a garbage can, then fill it up, instead of having the bag on the ground and having to like shuffle it in and prop it up and everything, you know. Makes things a lot easier. But next year it's on my list, checking it twice. And don't mind me, I'm gonna finish up picking up my leaves the old-fashioned way. Later's on the Menche.
Why don't you join us at 9 o'clock on the 9th green?
What happens there?
That's a secret of the pros.
All right, cool. Thanks, man. All right, I'm out of here. I hear that asteroids machine calling my name from the game room, so peace.
Oh, and Happy, dress nice, huh?
Oh, all right, all right.